Good morning, good morning. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. Okay, let me get rid of this. Okay, good morning, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Back in business. So, wow, big push through Asian over here. Nice. The daily candle actually didn't even close above today, but celery already. Very nice. Still bullish.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. 4 hour. Good morning, Dennis. Hope you're doing well, my brother.
Yes.
Yeah, 4 hour here. Closed strongly above. Closed above, made a lower wick. Well, making a lower wick. Going back to retest the previous zone it's just broken out of, so looks promising for maybe potentially support forming to continue. Okay, so you can see here cleared the 4 hours closed above. This one is just making a lower wick. Take a look then at the lower time frames and the 15, the 5. So on the 5 there is some sort of IC there, little interruption level, which price could go tap 2, which actually would be the retrace, which would make sense. Obviously overall support is 1972 area. But it looks like, yeah, I mean, maybe potentially retracements, then obviously some support forming to continue the high. This 50% Asian, we've just come below it. So yeah, good morning, Mike, hope you're doing well. So we just got to wait for potentially some sort of area that we can take some buys off. Just got to look at the lower time frames, wait for some support to form. Hopefully go tap this little level, that would be nice. That would be nice. On the 15 there's one maybe a little bit lower. Like there. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see which one it wants to go tap. Makes more sense at the 5 pulling into it, because if it goes to the 15 it's actually just retracing this whole move. But yeah, overall very, very bullish here because we've closed above. Look at the 4 hour, closed above everything else. We should realistically drive to 1992 first, and then that would be great. And then obviously above 1992 we've got that amazing clean zone of 2005. Okay, so we'll have buys above 1992. 992.5. Okay, so yeah, definitely buys over there later. Now we're waiting for this retracement. It is quite a big retracement, but waiting for some support to form. So I'll just put this here. Yep, then obviously continue back to the high. But we have retraced quite a lot, to be honest with you. 81, 87, yeah, retraced like 60 pips already, which is pretty mad. In terms of that, though, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. You know, either a buy above 1992. Could you get in a little bit higher up? Above like 85? Yeah, I mean, you could do. With high volume pushes, but I'd rather get in a little bit earlier. A little bit lower. 4 hours doesn't have much of a top wick either, so that's okay. Hope you're doing well on the YouTube. Think there may be some decent setups today later on. Yeah, 100%. Let's take a look at GJ. GJ is the same story, to be fair. It's still in this fucking range. The daily didn't close below this support, so it's still consolidating on the higher time frames in the zone. The 4 hour as well. Yeah, it's pretty choppy here. So hourly 30-minute, yeah, big order block below here as well. So obviously I'm bearish, but it's again, it just reacts off supports every single time. like only times we reacted. So I'm not really too asked on GJ until we get really below this support, I think. Yeah. Then potentially come down to this support here. So let's take a look and see how that looks. Yeah, so I'm gonna just wait until we get below this level here. Oh yeah. So yeah, yesterday we took that gold L, which we managed risk, and then we took a GJ sell later on, which was nice. Yeah, a sneaky sell at 1985. Oh, very nice. 1985. It's quite a big retracement, eh? Let me this on. Get my coffee hot. Yeah, but again, it's still just the 4-hour close. It only closed like 52 minutes ago, so it's just making another wick. So yeah, we're gonna monitor this quite closely because again, I want to get back up to these highs. 87 would be great. And then yeah, obviously GJ sells below. Anything else, I'm not really asked, to be honest with you. 4 hours are closing bearish. Still got a level to get to. The daily candle still needs to go push and fill that wick. But yeah, the left hand side is not the cleanest here. Support at 180 flat as well. So for me, it's very simple on GJ. Just wait until it gets below 500, and then you might have a trade. But yeah, mainly our focus is on gold here. Try and get the buys potentially later on, either to touch this one, which is the 5 minute, or the 15, which would be even further down, like there. That's what we gotta wait for. But yeah, how did everyone do yesterday? A lot of my members took like well, I know Brian took the buy there much later on, 345, which held. Also the buy there as well. I was waiting for it to just tap a little bit further, but it still touched these wicks, still acted as demand, which is good. It was very nice. 72 people already in this building. Amazing. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. Also subscribe as well. Nearly hitting 11,000 subscribers. And then I've got some cool videos. I was starting to edit a little bit more again. I've got a Snoop Dogg video from yesterday. Look, this is our GJ trade. Because of breaking, because of news, you can do, but for me, it's the direction. Everything's on my side. I'm holding on, but if you manage if you want to. I'm gonna go break even now. Of 17 pips. Beautiful. Gonna make it like a bit more fun, like that's like a bit more entertaining. That takes, especially because now you can save it all. Like that took me like what 10 minutes to find, and now you can use it forever. do. When the pimp's in the crib, man, drop it like it's hot. I wonder maybe why this push. What's the time it started really pushing? Like 2 a.m. Yeah. China housing market facing a 20% average correction overall. Real estate represents 30% of their GDP, not looking good. Well, for China. Let me go on news here. Interesting, yeah. Interesting. What does that mean though? Like 20 average correction overall real estate resident. What's the real estate in China? What, there's not enough housing? Oh, it's a shame it's retraced this whole move straight away. But again, it still can come here, react, bounce, and push. And the good thing is that this zone from here to here moves very quickly. So if we find some support down here to continue back up, that would be great. GJ 50-minute IC, potential Asian fake out if it creates W and says, do you think it's valid? It's not very bullish. It's not very bullish. The trend needs to be bullish. But I suppose in most recent on the 15, it made a low. It's made maybe a second low. Still holding. Yeah, I see it, but it's just not very bullish for me. Still holding, still could get a reaction, to be fair. GJ weekly very bearish, yeah. So the trade that I took, I got into the sells here? No. Oh, here. I took a sell once. So once this, can you see here, this is 30 closed below. 30-minute close below support, hourly close below strong, 4-hour closed bearish below. So then the issue was, where am I going to put my stop? So I got in there, my stop loss was on the 5-minute line up here, and then I took my position off like there. That was nice. Oh, it's done the tap. It's tapped it. Look at that tap, boy. Good stuff. Gotta wait for some more confluences, but that's the first one. The issue with this one is obviously you can still come towards the previous, the 15. So if I get rid of this, I'll make it more opaque. Yeah, there's actually one there as well. Candle before the push. There's actually this whole kind of area here. Now you're looking for an W max, yeah, and then maybe like a 15 celery or something to get us in with the W as well. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, DJ's washed, man. It's been washed for a while. In terms of just direction, you just gotta wait until the volume comes in and pick the direction for you. Let me just check something. Check something. Oh, there. Live. There we go. Morning, Formula Dustin, my boy. You're doing well. Doing looking for buys and G. That is very manipulative. Yeah, 100%. 100%. 90 people already in the morning. It's not even 7 yet. Yeah, very good. Very good. Look at that GJ 5-minute fake out, lol. GJ 5-minute fake out. Ah, man, it's just tough. Look at the candles, man. Look how small they are. No real direction. Overall bearish. Recently, we've been making a low and then a higher low. It's just hard to read. However, this Goldie is nice. This Goldie is good. Again, especially how like maybe a celery there would be the break. It would be 50-minute. The Asian as well. Let's say it came down, made a W, then I had the celery. Boom! It'd be flying. back up to the high. TP1 would be just the high, obviously. Yeah, I mean, maybe 1985, maybe 1986, depending on what you want. We will see. How much pips is it tapped off that? 11. $11 pepperonis. So now I really hope that this candle, next one, will push down again, and then we get it. 1.47% is almost a month. Nah, man, I've been away for half of it, and I had quite a slow start. And that's only with 1.4% risk. I'm up quite a bit now because of that fucking massive trade I took on Monday. I'll be on holiday, bro. Such a great reaction off that level, though. Damn. How could you have taken the buy straight away? Was any level that you could have maybe done? Yeah, maybe on the 3 you could have maybe get the break at a high, but it's only moved 7 pips. But yesterday I was in a bit of negative. I didn't make as much on the second trade because my runner didn't push because GJ with the news it kind of tapped me and then continued a little bit, but yeah, later on. So the runner didn't do the most, but the runner for me looked like it was gonna get to 530. It looked quite good. I mean, there was quite a lot of order blocks there, to be fair, but that's fine. In sell or buy? Nothing yet, brother. Nothing yet. We are waiting. Waiting patiently. Max, you take that drop? What, the buy? The gold sell? No. No. I'm way too bullish on gold. That's interesting. Strawberry ice cream. I don't think I even did strawberry ice cream. Where is that?
Yesterday I took a buy, a Goldie.
Oh yeah.
1978, and I get out in 1984.
Ooh.
Six pips.
Very nice.
It was a very nice trade.
Very beautiful. What time is that at?
In the morning.
In the morning.
4:30.
Wow. Max, go make your bed now. Start your day right. This bed is getting changed, man. It's getting it's washed. I gotta make it. I'll make it after. It's getting washed last night. I've hung them up. So yeah, we just gotta wait a little bit longer for this. Still a bit too premature at the moment. Still, bearish. Make a little top wick there. Good reaction though from that, which is good. I'll be 2 minutes. I'm just gonna go and find something. Find that fucking babe. I still can't believe it's ran out in the first 2 puffs. What the fuck? Looking at possible sells on AU below 68.2. Extra confidence I use if the European indices open negative. Use it continues pushing down. Makes it easy to hold. Interesting. Thoughts on GU? Let's take a look at GU. I haven't looked at GU in ages. How's it been moving? It's clearly bearish at the moment. The daily candles all pretty bearish. Just breaking the low. Previous 4 hour already pushing down. Yeah, I mean it should realistically now get down to 1.29078. Yeah. Right, I have 2 minutes. Need to go to the toilet. Le Jiju. And I see you go. Push, 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 push. Did Arsenal play last night? I think. Arsenal. Oh, there, yeah. 5-0 against MLS All-Star game. What the fuck? What? It's just called MLS. What? Just all? What does All-Star mean? Oh, what a goal. Who's on the All-Star? They pull up like the top players in the league and make a team with them. Wow. Fucking hell, man. It's absolutely bummed them. 5-0. That's embarrassing. They had a YouTuber playing, so I wouldn't take it serious. A YouTuber playing. So it's just time to wait. I'd want it to preferably go and touch this 15, just because it then it leaves that stress of, oh, is it not going to touch that 15, just the 5 one? You know? Does anyone else look at anything else they want to see maybe on Goldie? People looking maybe for sells? Maybe they've got a different idea. Look at this level as well that we're going into. It is the 4-hour tap. It's fucking beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh, the meet in person looked fun at Don's, man. I wish I went, but hey ho. There's 122 people already in this morning as a vibe. Oh, Man United played as well. Who the fuck is that? Van der Beek. Oh, this is their second team. It's a goal, that. No. Not bad at all. I'm in cells in EU. Ooh, EU. Let's take a look and see who's up this morning. I know Christian's at the gym. So I think today we may go through that 4-hour closures then. Do you guys fancy doing that? Maybe a little Christian sim. So yeah, for people that don't know, like the sims for us, we basically, that's why we do like research and development, look at new things, finding new ideas. So yeah, I think we should do the 4-hour one. Yeah, sounds good. Yeah. Oh yeah. We'll do that. Max, can you speak Spanish for 1 minute? I have no idea. Can see that 2 PM close? Yeah, exactly. Espanol. Yeah, so basically if we close above anything, then we can start to look and see how you can trade it. You could go through the days quite a lot as well. Because all you need to wait is if the 4 hours close in an optimal position. I need to make sure though that it's the right 4-hour close, because sometimes the IC mark, the sim, it looks like it should be closing with the time. Like I checked, it what time it should be closing on these, and it's a little bit off, so I need to make sure that's right. So it's this one here. When this one closes, this is the next one. Yeah, then it continues. Okay. So it's when the 10 o'clock one closes. Yeah, like this one, you'd get that push. This one, you'd get that push. This one, you'd get that push. This one, top wick flip, get that push. So yeah, there's a lot. Van der Beek is in the first team, came from Ajax a few years ago, never really got a chance. Yeah, he didn't. He made a couple of mistakes and stuff, but yeah, he didn't really. Watch sessions for Forex should be good, yeah. Waiting for gold reversal soon. What, for buys? Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Already a point that's given me interest is, you know, a break of that high there would be nice. That'd be the 15 celery. What do you think of the no time limit funding challenge? I think that's great. I think it's much better if people takes the stress off. People can just trade as they want. I think it's a great idea. It's fair, no time limit, there ain't no rush or gamble, just patience involved. 100%. 100%. Totally agree. Totally agree. There we go, tapped into the 15-1 now, so let's see how it reacts over here. Helps me out a lot now. I can rack it up slowly. 100%. It's really good. It means when there's a bad day, you don't need to fucking trade it. Like, just leave it alone. It's great. Gold's daily candle looks ugly. Still closed above on all the previous ones. Broke the high. But yeah, the 4 hour looks nicer. It's about to break 4 hour low though, so it is retracing that whole move. We'll see though, as I say, the amount of times I've seen it react off these levels and continue bullish. A lot of times. You just gotta be patient. And I think again today, yeah, GG. I just wanted to get out of this zone now. Needs to get out. Then I think it may be a little bit easier. What the hell happened with Conor McGregor in Liverpool? He had a fight. Back again with the Stop Loss channel. What's popping, good sir? I'm good, man. Good morning, good morning. Dude always on coke and proper 12, yeah. Yeah, he's wild, man. You gotta be a bit wild for UFC, to be fair. You gotta be a little bit wild. Obviously, now we're coming down to 1980 as well, right? We're hitting 1980, which is obviously gonna be quite a big level of support. Ooh, another Just Stop Oil. Let's take a look here. Have you seen them Just Stop Oils? Has anyone actually seen one in real life? What is that? Max, would you mind chatting about news tomorrow, please? Yeah, sure, we can do. We can do while I'm watching this, Goldie. But yeah, tomorrow's news is... We'll have to see 1 second. Tomorrow's news is... So we've got retail sales in the morning. Yeah, I mean, you know, brings a bit of volume in, but it's normally not the most interesting. Retail sales, depending on obviously how big the number is compared to previous, obviously 0.2 forecast, previous is 0.3. So, you know, if it's obviously good positive numbers, then it's good for the pound. If not, it will be bad for the pound. It's pretty simple. Same thing with cards. So yeah, nothing too hard there, brother. It should be good. Should be good. So that'll be a 30 pip stop. Break it that high. Oh. Why is everything just froze? Oh no, this is fine. This one, MetaTrader, that's froze. Great. Great. So as you can see, we've bounced like we've just discussed. We do have a celery. It's 5 minutes left for this closure. The celery is a little bit higher up. We're only at 1981 point. Sorry, 1982 is really where it is. Yeah. And stop loss is 78.96. Okay, so I'm gonna have a buy stop on over here. The break of this high. Because it's exactly what I want. It's got everything in my favor. Why the fuck can I not just put this as a buy stop? Buy stop. Oh, it does not let me do any of them. Oh my god, guys, my computer's froze. Can you guys hear me still?
Yes, I can hear you.
You can hear me, but my thing's completely froze. Oh, right. you guys hear me now? Jesus fucking Christ, that was interesting to say the least. Yeah, that thing just nutted. How do I join? Oh no. I have to make a new one. Why did it have to happen at that exact point, man? My fucking luck with life is just not on, boy. One second. By the way, I'm in that gold trade. What's it? Fuck's sake. Jesus Christ. That was a stressful period.
Yeah.
To do it at literally the point as we were looking to get in. Okay, I'm in now.
Yeah. Welcome back.
Thinking, yo. So yeah, to continue back up to the high would be great. TP1 depends how we push, but probably somewhere up here, but realistically it's to fill back up to the high, to be honest, so we will see. Welcome to Manila, I'm manipulating the PC, bruh. So where do people get in?
$19.79.
Nice. Everyone popping there. Nice. Well done, everyone. Brian got in low, yeah, 5-minute salary.
Nice.
I'm just getting in a bit too fucking late. I have to wait a little bit longer. But it looks good, it's got all of our stuff. So should be hunky dory. Yeah, so I think in terms of this one, I should have maybe got in a little bit earlier, like there when the W was passing up, so it would have been like more like 1981.2. Just getting it a little too high, but it's all good. There's no untested until we get to like 1983.5. So that's good. Waiting for this 30 minutes to make a lower wick. Yeah, that's fair dues.
Max, if you want to get in on the 5-minute salary, where you want to put your stops? Like on the
Same.
low or break the OB?
The low, I'd say still. Yeah, like 16, 15 pips. Yeah.
Nice, thank you.
Yeah, still using it. Is that low? So yeah, this is just making the low wick on the 30. Take a look here. Like this 4-hour flip and fill wick, that would be really nice. Yeah. You got the 10-minute celery. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, see that's where I need to get in, man. That's like an extra 15 pips from doing nothing. Yeah, beautiful, John. Great work, brother. We discussed that yesterday, eh? Very, very good. Very, very nice. Make sure you like the stream, guys. 40 likes. I'm sorry about that little hiccup there. The computer decided to shit itself. Like, literally shut itself. Never seen that screen ever. Yeah, it did this. I had this. Wait. Any had this where it just gets stuck, isn't working on my laptop or the phone. It's normally with your Wi-Fi that's the issue. It normally tends to struggle with the Wi-Fi there. Beautiful work from the squad over here though. Great discussion, great. Yeah, we discussed it from the start of the stream. What we wanted to see. But yeah, it was this here. Look at this. It was making a weird noise.
God, what is going on?
Look at that. The device has run into a problem. It said that we need to reset. I'm like, fuck this. I'm not missing this trade on the the YouTube over here. What was your entry? 82. 1982. So this one, like, go and break even. I'm not really too asked to be honest with you. It's a one where the support's gonna hold if it goes. So let it just play out and do its thing. Maybe it overheated. Let's take a look. Maybe it did overheat. Maybe just like too much stuff going on, maybe? I don't know. No, they're fine. Can't overhit on trading. Yep. So if you got into the 10-minute celery down there, you know, you could be break even now and still have the same opportunity as everyone else because this low wick hasn't tapped you out. So yeah, it's just getting in. Check your hard drive. Oh, so many things to check on a PC, isn't there? Check this, check that, check this, check that. It's like, oh my god. Wait. Yeah, I mean, it's not a lot. What's that do a sting? If there's an error code, oh yeah, I need to check the error code. That's true. That's true. What is my? Is that there? Max, how do you manage this when it hits my stops? Yeah, these ones you struggle to manage. Because they, you know, if it breaks that low, it's breaking a whole level, so there's no point in managing. You can mess around here for a while. Yeah, I tend to not manage these. The more managing you do here, the less profit you really get. So it's best to just leave it. The like button squad. Yeah, make sure let's get to 100 likes, guys, before London Open. We got left 20 minutes left. 20 minutes left. GJ buys. Ah man, GJ is washed. If you're on the 10 minute, have you taken anything off yet? Or are you just holding? You've got like 19 pips to be fair. Only had 4. Let's take a look at the lower on GJ. Nothing but just do the 5 minutes form of support here. Do the 5 minutes form of support here? That is the question. I'm just sick of being. GD gives me a headache every time I look at it. Yeah, it's rough. It's rough and duff. Especially with how many rejections, man. It just fucking bounces off of support, rejects. Oh my god. So 60 minutes left of this 30 to close. Gold looking dodgy. It only looks dodgy once it starts breaking that low again. Because here it's still needs to continue, but shh, like this. Alright, is my coffee hot now? Oh yeah. The coffee's hot, boy. So what do you think about UGBY? I'll take a look at UGBY after this. After these nuts that I'm getting every fucking time I enter. It's the thing, it's the fine discrepancies between getting in a bit, maybe a little bit earlier. Like there. I couldn't really get in a bit earlier because I was fucking around with my PC. It's hard, man. It means that the hardware issue has occurred on your computer. Issues could be related to such things as hard drives, processor. So there's so many different variables there. We'll see. If it does it again, I'm gonna have to sort it out. So 50-minute close goes bearish, it's fine. 30 still open. Just doing his thing. I'd really want this next 30 to really close bullish. That would be great. And then this next candle will be the drive 8 o'clock.
Will be nice.
Hopefully.
Yes, yes.
That coffee's good. If the 30 closes bearish, will you manage? No, because it's still a big level of support. No, there's no point. As long as you have the direction right, which we do, there's more money being lost if you just manage. Right now, we're just starting to step up. Hopefully this can break. It will be good.
Good morning, guys.
Morning, morning, Christian.
Come on, Goldie.
Come on, Goldie.
Okay, France, bro.
Hello, Christian.
Good morning, guys.
What did you do at the gym?
Morning.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
What did you do? Arms back.
Chest.
Chest.
Leg day. Don't skip leg day.
No, do not skip leg day. I've learned that lesson. Don't skip leg day. Oh man, I'm sick of my screaming and drawdown, man, this week. Fucking hell. It's negative the whole time. So if you got in on that 10-minute celery, would you be in drawdown now? Or you'd be right at your entry. Close a trade at minus 0.2. Fair, fair, fair. Been comfortable with it? Yeah. Gonna wait for the closure above. That's fair, man. Always re-enter. This could be lower high for continuation of the downtrend. Yeah, I can see that. If this 30-minute closes below recent, should we close? Nope. I'm leaving it. This low isn't just like a previous day, low. It's an order block. It's a big level. We can react in these levels at any point, just like we did yesterday and numerous other days. It's the trust of the zone. That's the main key thing. It's scary when you got a trade and it's just a candle before the previous, but when it's an actual zone. You Just give it more room. I want to go to that Drake's thing so bad, man. There's so many people there. It's sick. If it break 1980, I would close 50%. Fair. Fair dues. Yeah, so the people in the 10 have already closed and they're happy with it. Fuck's sake, man. It's just getting in too late. Stuck into Fugazi. These candles, though, are very small. So, just need a little bit of a wick up and we'll be good. Has it still even tapped this level yet? Yeah, it has. What's GJ? You getting down, GJ? Are you getting down? You guys are going to be sweating in 8 minutes. I won't be sweating because I already know what I'm going to lose if it goes wrong. But again, it's the zone. I've seen this happen so many times. Rejected perfectly off the 4-hour lows, yeah. Also, it was 4-hour retest. So, still looks good. The 4-hour retest is beautiful. Oh my god, I nearly just... Holy shit. Oh, I've just ruined my fucking diary. Great. Ah, fucking hell, my life. Great. Did you just say diary? Yeah. Just fucking spilled coffee all over it. Great. It's the last coffee as well. Do you need a sippy cup? Yeah. Sure do. I need to get on them 10-minute salaries more though, fuck's sake. Because if you got in there, let's take a look. Stop loss was 17. Yeah, you've already had a 1-to-1. 6 minutes left to London Open. I'll bring some good volume in, which is good. Still respecting that 5-minute zone. Here we go. So 15 coming up, 30 minutes about to reflip. I'm actually gonna watch the Women's World Cup. I don't know if it's on the TV, probably. Even though I don't really watch TV, to be honest. I only really watch TV with Kayla, and she won't be watching this women's sports site. She'd rather watch Love Island. She'd rather. Arsenal fans don't watch TV anymore as well. Mate, I think they're gonna be sorted for this year, to be fair. I think they've got a good chance of doing well again. Actually play video games in spare time? Yeah. Right now I play Dead by Daylight, BattleBit and CSGO. No COD? Nah, not the old. I could play I'd play the old ones, but yeah. Can you even download them? Can you get the old ones? Hasn't even stop charging people for your money. The other way, you don't have any money coming in, and you'll be forced to trade better. Yes. Great point. Hey Max, I've got a stream late. What are you looking for in terms of trades today? Looking at the gold buys. I'm actually in a trade right now. Gold buys had a lot of confidence for taking it in terms of we're at an order block. Overall trend is bullish. We've got a W formation. Should have really taken it a little bit earlier, but again, I waited for the celery. And yeah, now we're just waiting. Fuck the 10-minute celery, people. Innit, man? Fuck's sake, you just click. To be fair, it was hard for me because I wasn't even on... the computer fucking froze on me, so I couldn't even decide to click earlier. That is my luck. I generally think that is the gods telling me I gotta stop doing this, man. Out of the whole stream, it decides to crash on me the second I'm about to get into a trade. So now I can't prepare, I can't maybe get in a bit earlier, I can't... It's fucking useless. What made you change your strategy? Look, have you seen any clean closures anywhere? Have you seen any clean candle closures anywhere? No. There's none. There's fucking none. So it's just a cycle that changes, you know? Okay, so London Open now. 30 goes bearish, yeah, whatever. 15 goes weak bullish, weak bearish again. If you want to manage, 30 has closed bearish, but as I say, I'm still gonna be rocking this bad boy. Yeah. GJ sells. So to the left. Shit. Support there, support there, support there. So now, again, if it breaks that high, you're good because you've got a W formation again and you've got a celery under 30. So if you're not in yet, if I wasn't in yet, I'd be getting in there. Use DXY. GJ's pulling down. Is the day you're gonna get down to the low again? Oh, I actually did yesterday. I tapped it, which is nice. Great news. Do-do-do-do. Alright, I really need to go to the toilet. I'll be 2 minutes. Do, do, do. What was that? The 1-to-1 is above the 50 IC. Yeah, well, just go break even then hope it pushes. Yeah, well, close. You don't need a 1-to-1, right? You can just get. Or you can be ballsy enough and get that extra 20 pips or so. You know, mate. I've adjusted my stop loss to put it on the new 1 hour low. Now that it's broke the high, it shouldn't come back down to break its own low. Great job. I agree. I agree. Do, 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 do. 98.6. And I'm going to do the same. Yeah, 1980.26. Now the reason is because again, yeah, exactly what BMZ said as well, but also for the fact that the W formation is actually a new one. It's just closed above, and it's also the celery. My stop loss if I was in this trade would be there anyway. So there we go. Minimize my risk. I'm risking half of what I intended to do now, so that's just great. I'll give it more room. Yeah. Harvey Barnes to Newcastle, good signing that. Oh, Harvey Barnes. I've never really seen him play, to be fair. Harvey Barnes. So yeah, my stop loss before was 31. Now it is 17. So if I lost, lose minus 0.7. Actually, do you know Sean Lee is a scam? I don't know. Half the people in this industry are fucking scams. I don't know though. I don't know. Come on, Goldie. It's 8 o'clock, man. Bring the volume. Get back to them fucking highs. God, that 10-minute celery saves you so much ball ache. Fuck me. Push. Bring some volume, boy. Has it broke the hourly high yet? Yeah, it has. If it's retraces, then fuck me. I don't know what else I could do. It should push. Really? Not enough juice. I've got the juice. How long we got left for this 15? 3 minutes left. Looks good if it closed like that. And look at the candles we're playing with. So this is why I'm not really too asked about TP. I'm going to see this run because I should realistically just fill back up this whole range to 1986.8. Yeah. So there we go, just breaking hourly high again. So GG had a little push, but the biggest one. Back down to that low, but as I say, yeah, sells below would be nice later on, I think. That would be great. It's a little icy, but it's clean on everything else. Again, though, if you don't like it, go break even. Very could do. Hasn't hit it yet. There you know top wick on GJ. There is on mine. What's an IC? It's like an interruption candle, which sometimes can hold res or support, depending on which way. Yes, sir. So 50-minute just closed above, which is a good sign. Has to wait for the lower wick again. Can't wait to go in 12 pips drawdown again. Just push. Yeah. Hopefully when we top, we just get a nice push. Instead of just hovering on my entry. Yeah. When it starts going, it'll go quick. So it's just remember to stay calm in these ones. Let it do its thing. 15 minutes has to go make a lower wick. Where is this candle coming from? Yeah, look, GJ's wick back up. Goldie's pushing down. Something just happened there. Very nice. These lower wicks are so aggressive, man. Oh my god. But yeah, it's the same thing. Beautiful trade. I just love the fact that it's just getting in maybe a little bit too late. Should have got in there, but it's just the way these trades work out. Unfortunately, got to get in maybe a little bit earlier, because then you don't have this ball ache of just holding for ages. Again, I still think that this stop below is going to hold, but I quite frankly can't be asked to be in drawdown any longer. In terms of holding it down here and waiting again, it's just a pain in the ass. I wanted this to run. London Open even broke the high the previous hourly, so it should continue now. 5 minutes got a little area here that price should go retest and continue, but it's it was quite a big push down there. So thank you, Goldie. Done sees all this. Pin an apple on the chart. What? Ten minutes left of this 15. The only fact is the 30 has no bottom wick. What are you on about? Yes, it does. This 30's got 11 minutes left. This 30 really you'd want it to close bullish above this res there. Do. 'I really kind of want to give it a bit more of a stop, though, to be honest. It's hard. Because it is still holding this as a big demand, and it could just tap you. But it depends. Depends what you want to do. Do you want to risk full, hold half? We've got it below all them wicks, so it should be okay still. It wants to hold it. I just entered gold buys based on the FAR retest. Yeah, that was one of my confluences. We're still in them though. GJ wicking all the way back up. Look at that GJ. How could you play that? Hit the support, reacted off it again. It's mad. Don't you usually enter on the retest in the 5-minute W? Yeah. But that's when it's just a W. This is other things as well. This is a confluence of so many levels. You can be more aggressive with your entry. We discussed this yesterday in NY. But unfortunately I couldn't really get in any earlier because my fucking PC froze at 7:30. So 7:20. So I couldn't really look to get in a little bit earlier because I think I might have, if the 15 and the 5 push, I think I might have taken it there. And then you would have had a 1-to-1 already and it would have been done. But because my PC froze, I just had the buy stop on there. Couldn't really do much about it. Froze at the possible worst time of the whole stream. Do you know what, guys? I think I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna move my stop below again and give it more room. Yeah, I'm going to. But if you want to manage, sorry, 1 second. Let me put this in the chat. Gee.
That's trading.
Yeah, I'm still going to use a stop because this is such a big support. Also on the 5-minute, there's an OB which hasn't been tapped on my terminal yet. So we risk the rest. So yeah, people who are not holding this one will be out. What about the rejections on the daily? It's fine. They're just wicks to fill.
Mm-hmm. 20 minutes.
First stop loss triggered, yes sir. Yeah, 30 reflipping's rough. Shouldn't you enter later, not earlier on the retest? I mean, when 5-minute closed above and then enter the next candle when it touches the neckline. We haven't entered on a W though. This has been a retest of an OB. The W is just added confidence. I got in on the celery. Do you mean that? Are you talking about like this W here? And like the retest there? So for me there, that wouldn't be a W because it's not at support. It's just a completely different trade, bro. Max, is this not your first rule taught in trading? Do not place. Nah, I'm just moving it back to what it was previously to give it more room. But I still think it can hold. Oh, this one here, this W here? No, yeah, I mean, it's still not really at support on like the 50 to the 30. Wow. Max, when you take a trade based on the OB, then most logical stop loss is below the OB. It depends on how you want to trade it. For me, the W and the celery gives me the push where it should respect the low of the W. I shouldn't need to use the whole OB. And that's not just from thinking, oh, logical. It's just look at the just go on to a sim and do it. What is this? Free 10k, wow, it's cool. It's not bad. Just tapped into this 5 minute, which is the reason why I've held. So I can see it can tap into here and then start continuing again. Still needs to hold. Still is holding, sorry. So surprised how slow it is. 8 o'clock. God. Slow, slow, slow. Do we have news or just no? There's no fucking news, which is even worse. Come on. What level is stop loss? 1978.92. Was it the same yesterday, London? Yeah, it was. London Open just not giving me nothing. Most of the pushes coming in NY 100%. But like late NY, like 3 o'clock. Nah, we didn't even push to it. 1983. Even if you got in the 30, you'd have got stopped down. Next week is to be a good one. How are we just so slow? It was GJ slow as well. We had a little push and then back up. Yeah. Slow today, slow yesterday. The only day that was pushing was Monday. Can't believe you just get into the same fucking trade as everyone else, and I take a losing trade and everyone else takes a winner. Every time. Hello. Both USD and gold pushing something ain't right. Yeah. It's getting its gears ready. Getting its gears ready. Wrong, you were late. Yeah. Always late. There we go. Still holding. We are safe now. Gold is pumping. I don't know, man. It's 1 second it can look like it's pumping, next second it can retrace. It did it all yesterday as well. It's just fucking slow, man. See you later, honey. 1 sec. Alright, look at that. Can someone just enter a cell so Cook can go? Bye, I love you. Have a great day. What is this volume? Oh my god. Five will for bearish, knowing our look. Yeah, 100%. There we go. 5 for bearish, and we're getting out. Please take me out. I can't be asked to be in this trade any longer. Take me out. Do, do, do. Last swoop down, I hope. Nah, this one's gonna take us out. Candle's a little bearish. It's just got that one thing to break. If it can break it. Yay! Get me out. Finally. It's so long.
It's just a shame.
Yeah. But again, it's just getting in earlier. Fucking PC. Yeah, they just retraced 20 pips. Yeah, I know. What a nut. Yep. May move your stop loss again to give it more room? No, because that is my stop. That makes sense. Look at this GJ, my god, even through Asian session. Why did Asian session range so hard on GJ? Damn. It's kind of like nasty. Maybe we should have entered there or this year. I don't know, man. The amount of times I've planned these moves and it just hasn't worked out. But someone else who'd taken the exact same trade has made money off it. It's just... yeah. It's not good. It's not fun. Right, we're out. So yeah, one of the buys back up. I still think they would probably going to come later on, but yeah, probably back down into the zone. So yeah, So for the week so far, we are at a right around. I do this. Yeah, still up like 2%, so it's fine, but could not continue. May come down further. So yeah, gonna wait on now until NY session. See what we can get there. But I think now the only thing is, again, gold buys. GJ is ass as usual. Until it gets below 500. Until it gets below 500. But yeah. And Goldie's still coming down. Goldie's still coming down. But yeah, thank you very much, guys. See you later. Adios, amigos. See you later, Zoom. We'll do the sim at like 10 o'clock. See you later, guys.
Yeah, see you later, everyone.
Adios, adios. Bye, 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 bye. Adios,
Bye-bye.
adios.
See ya, ciao, bye, ciao.
See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. Thanks for the negative comments. They're really nice. Peace out.